Chapter 11 is a business with a substantial amount of debt that wants to reorganize. In brief, it is an opportunity to take all of the old debt of the business, make it so that they can't come and collect it, make it so that the debtor proposes a plan as to how they are going to get paid, 100 cents on the dollar, 2 cents on the dollar. A debtor makes a proposal, a plan. In a Chapter 11, the creditors vote for it under the control and watchful eyes of a judge. And if it's approved, then that's how a business would reorganize and continue on and paying old bills. Chapter 13 is for an individual, and it's similar to a Chapter 11, but it's a lot simpler and a lot less expensive and a lot less difficult to go through the court system. At the beginning, when you do a Chapter 13, you propose a plan. In that plan, it says, I'm going to pay X amount of dollars per month for the next 3 to 5 years, and typically in this region, it'll be a 5-year plan. And it's generally set up through a monthly or a weekly pay, depending upon how your paycheck lands. The court system will set it up at a time that is convenient and best for the client. With the monthly payment, the client will be able to reduce the interest rate on some of the secured debt down to, if it's a high interest rate car loan, down to a low interest rate. The court right now is considering about 5% to be the appropriate interest rate. So you set up a plan in a Chapter 13 to pay your car off over time. Any missed payments are not considered. It starts that day forward. They can't repossess the car as long as you make your payments. Chapter 13 reorganizes tax debt. The IRS cannot garnish your wages. They cannot charge you penalties. They cannot charge you interest on the unsecured portion of the tax debt. So it allows you to organize yourself. It's called a reorganization without any garnishments. It's a payment plan that you propose that you can afford, and it then gets reviewed and approved, assuming the court will approve it. And then your unsecured debt, visas, master charges, doctor bills, etc., are paid 100 cents on the dollar or 1 cent, 1% on the dollar, depending upon what the proposal is. And again, the court reviews the debtor's proposal, thinks of it as reasonable, and then would approve it.